Another video. Today we will be going over valid anagram, which is a LeetCode easy problem. And let's first start off by reading the description. So a valid anagram is basically a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. So if you can see in the example here, anagram and negaram, these two are, in a way different words, but if you count the letters, the number of letters, as well as just the count of their lengths, they're actually equal to each other. So they are a valid anagram. However, if you look at RAT and CAR, you see that rat only has one A, and car has a C and a R. So these two don't match, and it's going to be false. It won't be a valid anagram. So as you can see from the examples, a good intuition would be finding the count of each letters in each words. So what you can do is actually, for the first base case, you can take out a lot of these problems by just looking at the lengths of each words. So for example, if it's hello and hi, there's no way they're anagrams because the length of the words are different. So we can just go ahead and do this as not equal to length of t, then we can just return false, right? Next thing we can do is we can actually use a hash map, or in this case Python uses a dictionary. So we initialize that. So we're going to first make the dictionary for smap for s and tmap for the t string. And in Python, this is how you do it. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to go through each of these strings, and we're going to count how many letters are in each of these strings and compare them. So let's do that by iterating through. It doesn't matter because all you need to know is the range of the length so of either of the strings. So we're going to go ahead and do that for I in range length of s. You could also do t, but it doesn't matter because they're the same length. And what we're going to do first is we need to count for both words. So you're going to go smap equal to and tmap equal to, right? So in order to reference things in the dictionary or assign things based on that, we need to put brackets here, right? And the letter that correlates to smap is going to be si, right? The ith character of the string s. And we're going to assign that to the dictionary with a value. So the value is going to be the count of, the number of letters. So every time you see a letter, what are you going to do? You're going to count up, right? So you're going to do 1 plus. And this is actually a Python command you can use, a method that comes with Python. You can do smap.get si and 0. So this basically, what this does is you're going to try first asking if the dictionary or the hash map has this reference before. If not, we're going to get a default value of 0. And this is a good way to overlook an error you could possibly get by having, index errors. So you're going to do the same thing except for t. So it's going to be, we're going to reference, we're going to assign ith value, or the character of the string t, assigned to a count. In this case, it would be tmap.get ti0, right? So it's the same thing. And the last thing we'll do is we're going to just compare the two dictionaries. So very easy to do that in Python. So you're going to just do return smap is equal to tmap, right? So if they're not equal to each other, it's going to return false. If they're equal to each other, we return true. So let's see how this goes. And bam, we got it. Thank you for watching.